Good afternoon, happy campers. It's a fun, sunshiny Sunday, and Dave and I are going to take the dogs and go for a little trip on Route 66 and head over to the historical Funks Grove Chapel in the Woods. And we thought we'd take you along. So we're just heading out. We'll be there in about 30 minutes. We'll come back and take you along as we go through the forest where they make maple syrup. We'll see you in a bit.
Guys finished up. Like to pay the taxes on that baby?
No, thank you. No, thank you. What's up, Maverick Mellow?
What is this? Razor or something?
Couldn't tell, really. Where are we?
We're about 4 minutes from Funks Grove.
Oh, okay. We're taking the back roads. I'm lost. You guys ready to go for a walk at Funks Grove? You ready? We're almost there, about 2 more miles. We've reached the pretty part of the drive. Maverick's ready to stop and take a walk. Do we go left or do we go right? There's even parking for buses here. Maverick, Mama's just gonna get out and take a quick shot of the sign. You're fine. Quit your crying. So we're here at the Funks Grove Nature Spaces. It's open Monday, or gates closed Monday and Tuesday year-round, but then there's the other hours for it. And then here is a list, a pretty monument for the donors. And here stands the Sugar Grove, which owes its existence to the Funks Grove Cemetery Association and to the generosity of donors. And there is active maple syrup harvesting here at Funks Grove. We're going to go in and take a look at the nature spaces. There's porta potties for use. There's a visitor center. Ample parking. Doesn't look like it would be too big rig friendly parking if you were out on a day trip for this. There's some handicapped accessibility. There's a picnic shelter that I assume is available for rent. I bet you there's a family function going here and we're not invited. That's too bad because there's somebody smoking meat over there. Let's get the hell out of here. Fall is falling. ended up parking down here by the Funks Grove Cemetery. Just pulled over, picked a spot to watch the fall leaves falling. And to let the dogs stretch their legs just a little bit. There's a nice wind blowing. The temperature's about 70, I'd say. Beautiful.
He just wanted to get outside, you know?
He did just want to get out. He just wanted to get out and socialize and go outside like a big boy. Easy. All right, you guys ready to get back in the car? You ready to go back to the truck? Let's go for a ride. Let's go smell the other side of the road. Add it to your Smellodex. What a beautiful day. What you guys doing? Maisie, Maverick, come see Mama. Come here. Come see Mama. Come here, baby. What are you doing? Are you walking in the park? Are you walking in the park, Mama? You're such a good girl. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi from Funks Grove off historic Route 66. All right, you ready to go, Papa?
I'm ready.
All right, let's load these dogs up and head back to the home front. It was nice to get out just for a little ride in the country on a beautiful Sunday afternoon in the fall. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to our subscribers for being here. We really appreciate it. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, if you'd like to, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you can follow us along on all our journeys. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and we'll see you in the next video. Say goodbye, Big Daddy Dave.
Bye, Big Bad Daddy Dave.
Easy for him to say.